Ka District Administration Jongga West Garo Hills District lemba ka kerwa kala pentip baladon sa Uwei Tymmen Kiba La Khlad no Tura Civil Hospital na COVID-19. Katkum ka kerwa uni Tymmen udai ubala prap saus nem ka kerta bat udai ubala test positif lemba ka random sampling tikri kila batlara ya sa Tura Civil Hospital COVID ward khapra terik mentau benai. Katkum ke jingit hu ka Dr. Minakshi Sangma ka medical superintendent jong ka Tura Civil Hospital uni Tymmen udai ubadon ru Kiwei ke jingpang bat ulah klat no henek step kapor khat as sausan min stem.
Okay, madam, I just want to confirm there is a news that one COVID death from Tura Civil Hospital. Can you please give us some more details about it?
Yes, he's a 84-year-old man.
Okay.
And he has so many comorbid conditions.
Okay.
Like heart problem, diabetes, and epilepsy, bronchial asthma, hypertension, and he was suffering also. And then he was tested COVID on 18th in Kiwei.
Okay.
So from Kiwei, he was brought here on the 18th itself. And he was at 8:10 p.m. he was admitted in Tura Civil Hospital COVID ward.
Okay.
He passed away in this early morning at 12:45 a.m.
12:45 a.m. today, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you so much, madam.